Well, we got no class, and we got no principles,
Thank you.
and we got no innocence. We
Get a
can't even
release
think of
on
a
it.
way to rhyme.